Hello and welcome to the video tutorial for the next generation vectorizer ContourTrace software. In this video, we will find out how to download and install ContourTrace. So, let's jump in and get started. To download the installer, open an internet browser and go to ContourTrace.com. Now, hover your mouse cursor over the Software tab on the top navigation bar. Next, bring the mouse cursor to the Downloads page and click on it. Now click the Download Now button. ContourTrace is currently available for Windows 10 and Windows 11 in the 64-bit version. When the download finishes, open the installer to start the installation. Please keep the internet connection active during installation as it is required for downloading updates as well as for the activation of the software. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. On the desktop, find the ContourTrace icon and double-click on it. Before we can use it, the application must be activated. Therefore, we will see this license management window during the first startup. You can try out the ContourTrace software for 7 days free of charge and without any restrictions. To activate ContourTrace and request a license, simply sign up for an account through the ContourTrace account management window. Let's walk through the process together. Start by clicking on the email field and type your email address. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Now, ensure you read through the license agreement. Once you're ready, check the box to accept the terms. Lastly, click on the Sign Up button to complete the registration process. After signing up for your ContourTrace account, you'll soon receive an email to verify your email address. Inside the email, you'll find a verification link. Click on the link to confirm your email address. Once you've verified your email address, open the ContourTrace software and click on the Login button in the Account Management window. This will take you to the License and Subscription section where you can activate your trial license. Now click on Continue button to explore ContourTrace and unlock its full potential. So, what happens when your trial period ends? Let's explore how to apply for a subscription to continue using ContourTrace. Again, go to ContourTrace.com. Next, move your cursor to the Software tab at the top of the page. From there, select Subscribe Now to go to the subscription page. Take your time to review the available subscription plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. And fill up the details and click Submit. After receiving your request, we will contact you as soon as possible with further steps. From time to time, the ContourTrace application receives new features and improvements. Let us find out how to update the application. When an update is available, a window will be displayed during the startup of the ContourTrace application. As we can see, an update is available. We will follow the setup wizard to complete the update. Click Finish to complete the update. You can also manually check for updates from within the application. To do that, from the top menu bar, go to Options and click Check for Updates. As we can see, there are no pending updates to install. That is all for this video. In the future videos, we will go into detail about the user interface, the operators, and their functions. Many thanks for using and supporting ContourTrace. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.